Hello everyone and welcome to my channel So What? I'm Kim and I'm going to show you some organization today for Mission Organization, the series on my channel that I have going on right now, and I'm going to quickly organize my steel dies. They are in a jumbled mess right now in this container. It's almost impossible for me to find what I want without having to dump all of them out. So let's just get them all dumped out. I have this binder and I have the plastic sleeves to go with it. This was left over from some cash budgeting that we were doing, and so I'm going to use this to sort my dies today. So we'll take the envelopes, sort our dies by the different categories that they are. So I have tag punches, and I have doilies, and I have flowers and borders. So I'm going to move these out of the way and start sorting what I've got. And we'll put all the tags together. This is just a really quick one. Super easy to do. And I have butterflies and I have some Christmas ones. And I have some other tabs. So, flowers, butterflies, more flowers, miscellaneous, more tags, doilies. This one is one that I found quite a while ago. It is COVID. It's the COVID virus on toilet paper, and it's got masks and hand sanitizer and stuff in it, so that'll go into a separate category. So we'll just quickly do a rough sort into the different categories that these could be in. Super easy to find when they're all separated and not in a jumbled mess. And my envelopes fit all the dies. So just like that, my steel dies are no longer going to be a jumbled mess, and they're going to make sense and be much easier for me to take out and use. What does everybody use for their die cutting? I have I think it's called Six Sisters. I've got a Big Sister die cutting machine. I used to have a Sizzix, and I'm not sure what happened to it when I moved. It went missing, and so I had to buy a new one. I don't use my die cutting all the time, so the Christmas ones, of course, will go in a separate area in the binder. And my butterflies, and I will make labels for these later on. I'll use my Brother label maker to make some quick little labels to put on them to easily find them. Oh, those are snowflakes. Those aren't flowers. They could be flowers, but they look more like snowflakes. So we'll put the snowflakes in the Christmas one. Much easier to find and much easier to use when they're not all jumbled into one single container that's impossible to open. Not impossible to open, but impossible to find stuff without dumping it all out. And since I don't have tons and tons of the die cuts, they should all fit into this little binder that I've got for them. And I am short one envelope. I will go find the rest of my stash of them somewhere. I'm not sure where they are right this second. I will find those after and add my COVID dies into it. So I alternate the zippers when I put these into these kind of binders so that they don't all bunch up in one spot in the binder, making it more difficult to close. So let's clip these in. Sorry if that was a little loud. I think I have two different sizes of envelopes from two different places here, but that's okay. They all still fit and they all still work. Close that up. I'm going to slide my COVID stamps right in that little pocket for now. And there are my steel dies from a jumbled mess into a nice little compact binder, and I have room to add quite a few more of them into it as well. Hopefully that shows somebody some new ideas on how to organize some of your smaller stuff. I will post a picture later on with the labels attached to it. That could take me a couple days, but anyway, that's a quick, easy way to organize your steel rule dies. Have a great day, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.